Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from DIY Depot in Savoy, Johannesburg.
Our store has been in the community for over 20 years. We have built great relationships with our customers and we know most of our customers by name. We are well known for our expert advice and have built a trusted relationship with our customers. What makes us unique? We are a Plascon Contractors Point of Sale Center where we give expert advice, outstanding customer service, and we own a fleet of vehicles where we not only service our local community but service the whole of Gauteng. We offer not only tinting and decorative paint and industrial paint, but also do eye matching of any color that you can think of. My favorite Plascon paint? Well, that's easy. Microtex. Microtex is a premium quality, extremely durable, UV resistant, water-based coating with a fine texture. Used to weatherproof and protect exterior wall surfaces. It also comes with a new hairline crack filling formula containing polycell fine crack filler, which helps with covering of hairline cracks. My DIY tip: why waste your time when we've got an own fleet of vehicles that not only deliver Plascon paint, but we also deliver building material to our local community and to the rest of Gauteng. DIY Savoy, your one-stop shop.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.